Coastal was based off a client site that I worked on a couple months ago. It was a health and wellness doctor out of California, on the California coast. And so a lot of these images we used on her site. Of course, she had her own custom images from a photo shoot. She had her own content, which I've stripped all of that from this. But she really liked this first section here and wanted this like image overlap kind of deal that would account for, as it got smaller, this image would still show quite a bit while keeping the overlapping thing happening and also keeping some padding above and below. And so it took a little bit of trickery to make it happen. So if this CSS is too advanced for you, I would just leave this section as it is and replace the image and text, or just delete this section and not use it. But I'll go over, at least explain what's up. First, of course, you want to copy this whole entire CSS rules, save it to your local computer, and then also have your custom CSS ready to go in your Divi theme options here, if you want to overwrite some of this. But basically, I'm setting a floating section. So let me go ahead and edit this in a new tab. That way we can check out these class names. So you can see here the setup on the section. I have floating section here. I'm not sure if I have anything on the row. Nope. Maybe the columns I might. Let's see here. Okay, no, I don't. That's good. Okay, cool. So just a CSS class on the section called floating section. And originally I called it floating section 1 because I thought I was going to do this more throughout the site. I just ended up doing it one time, so I just ended up getting rid of the 1. So it's just setting, max with 1400, it's setting that padding of the section at 8%, and then as it gets smaller, it's setting it at larger percentage until the mobile here. I need to save that. And it's just taking it down to pixels here. So you might need to edit some of this. You might not, but this is where it's at. This is how you edit it. If you did want to edit any of this, let's say you wanted to edit the mobile, you just copy this here, head over to your theme options, paste it in, and that's where you edit it. All right, y'all. Cheers.